You rather, 6'7"? Skibidi Toilet. Parang ready na si Skibidi Toilet, oh. Kamukha ni Ash. Wala, siya na lang kaya. Or si 6'7"? Ash? Or 6'7"? Kasi, marry naman na kami sa real life, no? Dito na lang tayo kay 6'7".
We are gathered here today
6'7".
to witness to be a good mentor.
Ala, pwede bang magpalit? Pwede kay Skibidi Toilet na lang tayo. Pwede bang mag-back out? Pwede po bang mag-back out sa kasal? Hala, naghang siya guys. Parang ayaw tayo ipakasal kay 6'7". Sabi ko na nga ba, dapat si Skibidi Toilet talaga yung pinili ko eh. Hi guys! So meron daw bagong laro ngayon sa Roblox. Sobrang bagong test daw. Wala pang nakakalaro na to. Yun nga lang, noong year 2012. Nye! Kaya guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Would You Rather. Pero magkakatotoo guys kung ano man yung mapili natin. Kaya samahan nyo ako. Let's go!
Would you rather
Have a
have
random hairstyle? Or be entirely bald. Siguro dito tayo sa random hairstyle. Hala, afro tayo guys. Sabi nila, look at this dude. Afro tayo. Ano nangyari sa buhok natin? Okay lang yan. Sige, panindigan na natin to. Next, be way too tall. Maging masyadong matangkad or masyadong maliit? Matangkad, maliit. Dito tayo sa masyadong matangkad. Ala ba, bumagay yung hairstyle natin. Para tayong naging si Michael Jackson. Okay, lagpas tayo dyan. Reset size na naman tayo guys. Hindi na tayo matangkad. Bumalik na tayo ulit. Would you rather wear a tutu or be an egg for 15 seconds? Syempre dito tayo sa egg. Favorite natin yan eh. Maging itlog. More protein guys for more muscles. And would you rather... wala pa bang 15 seconds? Hindi pa tayo bumabalik sa... Ayun. Bumalik na tayo sa character natin guys. Itlog no more. Next, save the babies or save...
Would you rather save the babies
Umiiyak sila.
or save the cookie?
Wala namang emosyon yung cookies, guys. Dito tayo sa mga umiiyak na babies. Kawawa naman, oh. Oh, ang happy na nila. Tumatalon-talon pa sa crib. Yehey! Nakaligtas sila, guys. Guys, may nakita ako, oh. Si 6'7", nagpapalike siya. Kapag naka 60,000 likes daw, pwede na yun. Kaya guys, gagayahin din natin si 6'7". Huwag nyo kalimutan i-like yung video and subscribe. Let's go to the next stage. Would you rather 1 Robux beggar or 5 Robux beggars? Parang wala namang pinagkaiba yun. Okay, lahat sila umiiyak guys. Dito na lang tayo sa 5 beggars. Manggugulo lang pala sila sa atin, manghihingi lang guys. Ala, tinatapakan na nila tayo. Padaan ako. Excuse me.
Would you rather have a
Dito muna tayo sa burger or sa freeze. Anong freeze? Sige, dito tayo sa fries. Favorite ko yan eh. Oh, gusto nyo rin ba? Nagpapadonate sila guys. Sa tingin nyo mag-donate kaya mag-donate tayo sa kanila? Wait lang, bago tayo mamili sa friends natin or si 6'7", mag-donate muna tayo dito guys. Okay, let's try to donate. Pero bago ako mag-donate guys, subscribe and like the video. Bye. Okay, donate. Woohoo! Okay, happy na ba sila? Nawala na sila bigla. Save 6'7". Hello, sorry. Oh no, sorry guys. Sorry. 6'7" is more importanter. Ano daw? Do you rather join the group and like the game or be stuck in detention? Guys.
Would you rather join the group and like the game? or
Okay,
be
gusto ko
stuck?
naman i-like yung game eh, pero parang interesting naman kay Baldi. Try natin ma-stuck sa
Escape
detention,
detention
guys.
by finding the door before Baldi
Ayun na
catches
si
you.
Baldi. Guys, kailangan nating tumakas dito sa classroom ni Baldi. Escape! Bye, Baldi! Yay! Naka-escape tayo, ha? Merong mga hindi naka-escape? Kawawa naman yun. Would you rather own an annoying chicken or annoying cow? Chicken or cow? Chicken or cow? Last decision. Chicken or cow? Okay, chicken. Mas mataas yung pumili ng chicken. Eh, ang cute naman kasi. Tapos, di ba? Andito siya sa ilalim ko, oh. Gutom na daw siya. Feed! Mamaya na. Nag-e-exam pa ako, eh. Would
Would
you
you rather be
rather
an e-girl or shrink down
be an eager
75%?
or shrink down 75%? Ayoko nga lumiit. Ang liit ko na nga, eh. E-girl. Dito tayo sa e-girl. Chan! Ala, ang cute natin. Sige, pakainin na nga natin yung manok natin, guys. Yan, kawawa naman, gutom na.
Nom nom.
Busog na siya. Nom, nom, nom. Nag-burp pa nga. Next question. Would you rather sound like a boy or sound like a girl? So, kung girl ka, gusto mo matry mag-sound like a
Would
boy?
you rather sound like a boy or sound like a girl?
Okay, dito tayo sa sound
Try
like a boy.
typing in-
Konti lang kaming namili ng 37% lang yung sound like a boy. Gusto nila ng sound like a girl. Would you rather have
Would you
banana
rather have
arms?
banana arms or
Dito,
banana
guys.
legs?
Or banana legs? Like daddy long legs? Dito tayo sa legs.
Banana!
Pag nagutom tayo, guys, kakainin natin yung isang legs natin. Naku, would you
Would you
rather?
rather have a homeless man follow you or have a crying baby follow you?
So, kanina, na-save na natin yung mga baby. Piliin naman natin ngayon yung homeless man.
Swirly, swirly lollipop, please, please, please. Please give me lollipop. Give me lollipop. We'll do
Nangingi
anything, please,
ng
for
lollipop?
Please,
Bakit
please,
kaya lollipop?
please. I need lollipop, please.
Bakit lollipop yung
Can I have
gusto
a
mo,
lollipop? Swirly, swirly
Manong?
lollipop, please.
Mamaya na yung
rather
lollipop
be
mo.
fat
Mag-exam muna
or be
tayo.
skinny?
Be fat or be skinny? Okay, be fat.
Please, please, lollipop.
Ala, magkasing laki na tayo, Manong.
Can I have a lollipop?
Ala.
Swirly, swirly lollipop, please, please, please. Please give me lollipop. Give me
Umakyat ka pa
lollipop.
sa
We'll
ulo
do anything,
ko.
please, for lollipop.
Bala ka
Please.
dyan. Samahan mo na lang ako. Would you
Would
rather
you
watch
rather
the
watch
Snorp
the duck
song?
song or
Please give me
complete
lollipop.
an
Or complete
Give me
an
lollipop, we'll
obby?
do anything, please, for a lollipop.
Hala, kinakabahan naman ako sa Obi. Dito tayo sa Snorp song. Ano to? Okay, naliligong Snorp. Take a bath. Parang dogo. Gustong-gusto niya ng belly rub. Ayun o, ang dami nagra-rub sa belly niya. Parang nakaka-hypnotize, guys. Wash the Snorp. Wash the Snorp. Ala, itlog na Snorp. Bagong panganak na Snorp. Tapos nasa KFC. Ala, happy Snorp. Kailangan natin panoorin, guys. Hindi natin masiskip. Hindi natin pwede skip yung song. Parang happy lang siya sa buhay niya, guys. Okay. Skip. Parang, ano yun napanood natin? Parang ganun yung feeling, no? Grow a
Or
dragon
grow
wings.
Angel wings.
Or grow an angel wings. Dragon? Angel. Dragon? Angel. Siyempre, dito tayo sa angel wings. Ala, ang cute! Ang daming pumili ng angel wings. Ang cute naman kasi, oh. White na white. Bagay sa character natin, guys. Parang gusto kong magka-wings. Okay, sige. Exam na muna tayo. Would you rather? Ano? 6'7"? Skibidi toilet. Parang ready na si Skibidi toilet, oh. Kamukha ni Ash. La, siya na lang kaya. Or si 6'7"? Ash? Or 6'7"? Kasi, ano eh, marry naman na kami sa real life, eh, no? Dito na lang tayo kay 6'7".
We are
6 to
gathered
7.
here today
6'7".
to promise to be a good partner.
Ala, pwede bang magpalit? Pwede kay Skibidi Toilet na lang tayo. Pwede bang mag-back out? Pwede po bang mag-back out sa kasal? Hala, naghang siya, guys. Parang ayaw tayo ipakasal kay 6'7". Sabi ko na nga ba, dapat si Skibidi Toilet talaga yung pinili ko eh. Una pa lang eh. Ayaw tayo ipakasal kay 6'7", guys. Guys, inulit ko nga pala siya kasi nag-stop yung kasal namin ni 6'7" kanina. Parang may pumipigil.
Would you rather marry 6'7" or marry Skibidi Toilet?
So, dito tayo kay Skibidi Toilet, guys. Kasi kamukha siya ni
Chat,
Ash.
we are gathered here today to witness.
Ito wala naman na sigurong pipigil sa kasal namin ni Skibidi Toilet. Kasi relax na lang siya, chill na. Sino yan? Si Michael Jordan? Ay, tapos na ba? Ay, hindi pa. Diba? Sabi ko na may pumipigil sa kasal namin ni 6'7". Kaya, nag-back out ako, guys. Dito na lang tayo kay Skibidi Toilet. Next question. Would you rather
Would you rather save mom
save your mom
or save dad?
or save your dad? In 8 seconds. No, umiiyak si mama tapos sumisigaw na si papa. Kanino tayo? Siyempre dito tayo kay mama. Sorry na, papa. Mamaya ililigtas naman kita eh, pero sasabog ka muna. No! Sorry na. Next life na lang, dad. Sorry na talaga. Hindi pa ako makamove on dun, guys.
Would you rather be
pahirap
rich
yung question,
or be famous?
Be rich or be famous? Siyempre una, di ba? Gusto mo talaga be rich. Pero ano bang feeling ng maging famous pero hindi mayaman? O dito tayo sa be famous.
Smile for the fans.
Ganun lang. Marami lang paparazzi. Pero hindi tayo mayaman, guys. Hindi tayo rich. Famous lang tayo.
Smile for the fans.
Ganun lang. Smile for the fans. Would you rather be BFFs with a bacon or a BFFs with a noob? Bacon? Noob. Bacon? Noob. Noob.
Hey,
Noob for the win. Konti lang pala kaming pumili kay Noob, guys. Would you rather walk on Legos or walk on hot coals? Siyempre, dito tayo sa Legos, guys. Yan. Ala, aray! Aray! Ala, dali, tumalon ka, Noob. Noob ka pa naman. Oh no, ang sakit. Ang lalaki pa naman ng Legos na to, guys. Ang sakit naman ng Legos. Hello. Legos or ano? May friend ako si Noob. Would you rather?
Hello. I just came from school, guys.
Yuki boy. Oh, would you rather?
Would you rather listen to jazz music
But
or listen
he's
to
crying.
elevator music?
Would you rather listen to jazz music or listen to elevator music?
Elevator music.
Elevator music? So, pinili niya elevator music. Bakit?
Kasi it's like, ti, 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 ti,
Sige.
ti.
Let's try the elevator music. Mas madami yung elevator music.
Would you rather?
Ata. That's nakaka-relax yung music niya, guys. Next. Would you rather like the game or make all the devs cry?
Would you
Make all
rather
the
like
devs
the
cry.
game?
Siyempre.
Make all the devs cry.
Make all the devs
Mas masaya make all the devs cry. Pero like naman natin yung game, guys. Pero pipiliin pa rin natin tong devs cry.
Please like our game.
No, please
We
like
worked
our
so
game.
hard.
We work
Please
so
give us a
hard.
Just one little like and we will
Hello,
cry.
crying sila, guys.
Please, I am begging you.
And they're begging for us.
Please like our go game.
Please, like,
Like ba natin? Are we gonna
Yeah.
like the video, the game? Ilalike natin yung game. Would you rather smash a glass bottle on your head or get stuck in the void for 20 seconds? Parang
Glass
same
bottle.
lang. Gusto niya daw yung bottle on your head. Ay, yun na ba yun? Tapos na pala yun. Would you rather eat Brussels sprouts or eat baked beans?
baked bean.
Dito tayo sa beans. Alo,
True.
ganun pala kumain ng beans. Matutumba ka with your
Head.
full face. Would you rather be able to crawl or run super fast?
Run super fast.
Dito tayo sa run super fast. Syempre, di ba? Sino pipili ng magko-crawl? Kailangan namin makatakas dito. Ay, laglag ako.
Guys, the maze is so...
Next, would you rather have a huge head or a tiny head? Let's go for huge head. Ala! Wala tayong buhok. Pagtapos ng ulo, paa agad, legs agad, guys. Ganito pala maging, big head. Would you rather fall out of the sky or get hit by a
Would you rather
train?
fall out of the
na
sky
lang.
Lo,
or
parehas
get hit by
masakit.
a train?
Pag malalaglag tayo sa sky, wala na tayong chance mabuhay. Pag sa train, wala rin daw, sabi ni Ash. May chance pala, pero lasug-lasug tayo, guys. Dito tayo sa hit by a train. Ala, lumipad nga tayo. Nagkalasog-lasog tayo, guys. Would you rather eat a toilet paper or drink rotten milk? Pero yung toilet paper, malinis pa. So, pwede to. Nom, nom, nom.
I hope it's not
Yeah, it's still clean pa naman eh.
I hope it's not used.
So, would you rather do the worm or do the floss?
Would you rather do the worm or do the floss?
Paano yung floss? Floss daw. Oh, yeah. Is this the last question? Would you
Finish
rather
the
have a
game.
balloon or finish the game?
I don't wanna finish the game.
And ayaw
Would
pa
you
namin
rather have a
tapusin yung game,
balloon
guys. Kaya dito
or
tayo
finish
sa
the
balloon.
And we
Or
don't
finish
know.
the game. Ah, sige.
No one wants to finish the
Tapos na. I'm
Tapos na?
done. We're done. Lahat yan. Nalagpasan natin, guys. Kasi late ka na dumating. Ay, Mary, skibidi toilet pa nga eh. And 6, 7. Guys, baka hanggang dito na lang tayo. Ano ba yan? Nangyari sa character natin. Nagumpisa tayo sa e-girls. May mga wings pa tayo, guys. Tas nagtapos tayo dito. Kaya sa susunod muli, paalam!
Alam!